Hello and welcome to today's immigration video on the Ray Law International channel. What is your picture of the ideal attorney? Is it the Hollywood litigator who wins the case by getting the plaintiff to admit that key fact at the end of 2.5 hours? For those out there that can remember, maybe it was the suspense and mystery of Matlock. Most attorneys may not meet your idea of what an attorney is, as you will find attorneys with an array of backgrounds, interests, styles, and goals. At our firm, we have the opportunity to meet individuals from around the world of all different cultures. Our associates have heard too many stories from clients of how challenging it can be to find good counsel. So today, we're going to talk about what you should look for in an immigration attorney. Before we jump in, I want to specify that when I say attorney, that could be a single attorney, a small firm with a few attorneys, or a larger operation. The first thing you should pay attention to is how you can communicate with the attorney. You can observe this during your initial meeting. Consider, has the attorney given me the opportunity to explain my issue? Did they listen to me and ask relevant questions? Did they give me an opportunity to ask them questions? The USCIS has very specific processes that need to be followed based on your status. Good communication is essential to ensuring that the attorney can present the most accurate advice based on your situation. You don't want to receive a USCIS rejection notice based on an avoidable problem. If you find it challenging to communicate with the attorney from the start, that may signal possible difficulty in the future. The next thing you should look for in an immigration attorney is the expectations that they set for working with them. Listen for details such as how much you can expect to pay, including attorney's fees and USCIS filing fees. You'll also want to know how often you can expect to hear from them. It can take several months to receive a response on an application. Having an attorney that will keep you abreast of your progress is important. In addition, there should be defined parameters for what they expect of you. Working with an attorney is a collaborative process, so your engagement as a client is just as important as theirs. And finally, the third major factor you should look for is the attorney's level of knowledge regarding the immigration process. Remember, the USCIS has specific documents that need to be submitted and strict limits on the time you have to do so. The more knowledgeable your attorney is, the more efficient they will be in handling your process in the required amount of time. An attorney who is familiar with the application you need to submit and the rules surrounding it should also be able to walk you through any subsequent interviews or other in-person interactions that will be required. The reason we here at Ray Law International are able to help so many families is because we truly value what we do. So, in addition to the big three that we just covered, look for an attorney that values you and your goals as a client. For more immigration law videos, visit the Ray Law International channel. Search the channel through more than 200 immigration videos. If there's a topic you don't see but want to learn about, let us know in the comments below. Now, more than ever, it is important that you have an immigration attorney involved in your immigration case. Get the Ray Law advantage. Get the information and knowledge you need to have peace of mind. Stay updated on immigration matters by subscribing to our channel and sharing these videos with your friends and family. Stay informed, stay educated, and until next time, stay on the right immigration path.